How to share YouTube videos with specific timestamp. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick method to share YouTube video links that starts at a specific time. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your YouTube and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're on YouTube, just find the video that you want to share. For example, I'm just going to refresh my feed and tap on the first video that I see. So let's just tap on this one right here. All you have to do now is just tap on the share option right here and then copy the link. Then open up wherever you want to share this, and I'm just going to go ahead and share it on this group right here. Just paste the link, and right at the end you're going to type in and, just type in this and symbol, and then tap on T equals. And what you're going to do now is, let's say if I just want this to start at let's say 40 seconds. I'm just going to go ahead and type in 40 seconds and tap on 40s. Now if I just tap on this link right here, it will open the video on the 40-second mark. And if you want it to be more, you could just go ahead and add minutes here. So just type in 6 minutes and 40 seconds, and the video will start on 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Of course, this video is not that long, but if there is a longer video, you could add timestamp like this. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.